The first ever Sohphlang Festival 2023 at Maukunro attracted visitors from near and far to acknowledge the unique tuber plant with potential medicinal value. The festival provides a special opportunity for the community to come together and celebrate the greatness of the unique fruit Sohphlang, the pride produce of the region, which is also a cash crop of the season. The event was jointly organized by the Sohphlang Catholic, Holy Cross Parish Maukunro, along with the Arts and Culture and Tourism departments, among others, on Saturday. Maukunro MLA Bantedor Lingdo praised the organizers and assured that the Sohphlang Festival will be held every year and it will not be a one-off affair.
Nasukuman bahagi kesini video bermadu Sohphlang berhasil upon ini kita di indigenous food tiba permi yang dikatakan di jomli berkunjung upon yang nongshnaati tiba dapat kata yang ada handicraft tiba wan berperni yang sak kebagian tiba yo kamai berperni bersama dengan yang sen tidak mengangkat bani. Bagni awak itu kedai kejistan kejungi. Hari mor juga mencuang juga slow bab judon. Kumini kijai festival. Syari depan juga kejungi. Mereka sokuman cikadai. Lingba juga trailan. Bagi sana, bagi nangba, bagi lombe, bagi nongshosnom. Bagi sini berai kulong yang festival.
Now let's take a look at the weather report. The